What's up, y'all? We back at it again. I drink Sprite. I'm human, but oh snap. Um, what was today's video? Distractions. All right, so I don't know why I'm being so damn quiet. Hold up. Oh. All right, so let's get to it. Let's talk distractions, right? So a distraction is something that takes away from your focus, basically. Simple as that for a definition. So there's tons of distractions. I can name social media and celebrities, school. I can name quite a few, but I think for this video, I think I'm gonna start it off with celebrities and social media. I was thinking about doing schooling, but that'll be probably for a part two. So this is just gonna be a part one. Um, so let's get into it. So when it comes to distractions with social media and celebrities, now I watch a lot of Vontu Cut, the J guy, I forgot what the rest of his title is. So Illuminati I watch a lot of, as I said before. Um, when it comes to distractions, all of that. Let me rephrase that. Social media distractions. It's like, let's jump into follower count, right? So from So Illuminati, they create this system, right? And this system, you're supposed to run in like you're supposed to care about how many followers you have. You're supposed to care about like people who you follow is supposed to say something about you. It's like social media is replacing real life essentially. And this is not just for Instagram. This is like you can even use the example of Facebook, like um sharing with your friends. Those aren't your real friends, bro. Do they check on you? Do they check on your well being? How many of your followers check on you? Let me think about that. I had before I deleted all my followers, I deleted all of them, and some of them refollowed me back. But I had like 413, 412 followers. I do, I had all of those 413 to 412 followers. I think only about three people checked up on me, on my mental health, and my physical health, of course, but my mental health. The rest of them, not a damn message. Do you know how ridiculous that is, bro? Ever since quarantine, ever since March, I was like, all right, cool. We still gonna be in contact. Yeah, this and that after the last day. So what happened? We not in contact no more. I mean, I felt like back then, I felt like a real type of way about it. But then I realized, hey, life goes on. But followers, bro, that's where they get you. You're supposed to care about your followers like they really care about you. No, bro, no. Followers aren't your friends. They're not. That's not to say that all followers are like that, but like, come on. Do you really believe that all your followers care about you? Do you believe that more than 80% of your followers, unless you're a celebrity and you got fans bowing down to you, I'm gonna get to that. Like, bro, come on. Now, let's get on with World Star and stuff like that. So those big social networks like World Star, Hood Clips, the Shade Room, they're all about posting about celebrity lives. Hey Lenny, they're all about posting about celebrity lives. You want to come in the video? You don't want to come in the video. They're all about posting about celebrity lives, what they do, all the drama, all the rumors. Especially that's just some bull, bro. That is bull. It's bull crap. Like, come on. Why should you care about what's going on in celebrity lives? Perfect example. Cardi B and Offset recently breaking up. They're trending all over Twitter. They're talking about it on the news. Who cares? Who cares? That who it was I in a relationship? Am I part of their family? I don't care, bro. And then I go on Twitter and then I see them talking about, yo, Cardi B deserves better. You hear yourself, right? You're concerned about another person's life. You're living through that person. You talking about they deserve better. They don't care about you. Cardi B don't care about you, bro. She does not care about you. And that is tough. That is tough. You really think that Cardi B and Offset care about your opinion? They probably doing this for a show. They probably doing this for the clout, and then they probably somewhere in freaking California or Atlanta just sipping on Hennessy or some shit, bro. They don't care. They don't care. You gotta realize that these celebrities don't care about you. They don't care about your opinion. You think that you think that Drake's gonna care if you say, oh, no, you think that J. Cole or somebody's gonna care if you, no, let me not even say that. You think that any other celebrity is gonna care if you say, oh, you're canceled? Fuck. like who cares, bro? Who cares? I mean, really? Oh, I'm canceled. Oh no, like I don't, bro. Anyways, moving on to cover celebrities. No, I didn't cover celebrities yet completely. So another thing, all these people living their lives on social media. You heard it millions of times. I don't know why you still here, not understanding it. All those people on social media, yeah, they live in this life. They live in that life. You think they live in lavish? Kanye even said, he said it once. He said it plenty of times. The wealthiest people have the lowest self-esteem, and it's true, bro. You gotta buy all this jewelry. You gotta buy all this and that to make yourself happy. You're sad. You're sad. You're sad, and you know it. Not all the jewelry, money, nothing in this world is gonna make you happy. If you're not grounded with nature, if you're not grounded with the earth, if you don't pay attention to what's around you, bro, you're sad. You're sad, and you know it. And these celebrities who go and get trapped by these big corporations and these big deals, and they can't say nothing, or like these artists out here, the rappers who signed their soul away, and then they can't be saying nothing. Lil Baby, for a perfect example, he said, I won't go too deep, and this is in the bigger picture. I won't go too deep because I'm scared they will get me, bro. Lots of all these artists, they sold their soul away. Some of them are higher than others, like Drake and Doja Cat. Doja Cat used to make. I used to bop with Doja Cat. Like she used to say, "I'm a cow." I was like, okay, this is fire. Signed her soul away some more. Got some more money. Got some more this and that. Females selling their bodies out here. I mean, come on, come on, really, come on. You signing your soul away, and then they become trapped in a way where they can't even talk about what's going on because the government's gonna get them, bro. The government's gonna. Perfect example. XXX Tentacion, Prodigy, Roseanne, even though she didn't get killed. Um, Michael Jackson. Damn, what is that person's name, man? I don't want this. I don't want. I want this video to be me just thinking. So basically, um, X he was trying to make himself a better person and all this and all that. The Helping Hand challenge. What happened to X? He got shot. He got shot. He got taken out, bro. He got taken out. Let's not even cap. Let's not cap. Um, Prodigy. He said he was gonna come out with all this stuff, exposing the Illuminati, exposing the government. What happened? They said he choked on an egg. You telling me a smart man like Prodigy, a very intelligent man, tried to swallow a whole egg, or even if he just choked on a piece of egg? What? 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 Like what? That makes what? And even it didn't even go into detail saying that he choked on a piece of egg. It just said that he choked on an egg. And then even if it said a piece of egg, they changed it later on and said heart complications. I don't know if they changed it back yet, but they changed it again. So I mean, it's right in front of you, dude. It's right in front of you. Um, Oh, that's the person, Lisa Lopes. She was starting. You saw it. Look, you can look it up on YouTube. It's still up there. She was starting to meditate. She was starting to go into nature. She said she always wanted to be in nature. She was doing that. She was taking. She was detoxing. She was doing all that, bro. And what did they do to her? Car crash. Car crash. y'all really man. That video, you could even look at that video, and it just looks. It doesn't even look right, bro. It looks so fabricated. It just does. It 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 just looks like the most fabricated video. She looks at the camera, and then looks back at the road, and then keep like Michael Jackson. He was gonna start exposing Sony and all those corporations because they wasn't giving him the money, or he was about to come out saying how unhappy he was and all that. Then they gave him all these drugs, and then I'm not even saying that about with all these celebrities, but about with them for the most part, you know. And they try to come out with all these allegations, like for Roseanne. I don't know about the race thing, but like she was talking about how they put things through the television, like how the news is so corrupt and how they like brainwash us. Like she was saying that, bro. You can search it up on YouTube. She was talking about the ultra race and stuff like that. It's still up there. Then what happened to her? Oh, Roseanne gets canceled because she said some racist stuff. Oh, Roseanne's canceled. Oh no, Twitter. Come on, bro. Social media and television, these things combined, they destroy y'all. They destroy. And it's so hard to be somebody who's like becoming more spiritual. And I've been becoming more spiritual since like August or late July. Just like at a fast rate. And just looking at people around me who are just like sleep. It's just like, damn. 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 That's all it is, bro. That's all I could really say. Um where do I go from here with this video? I mean, here we go. Cardi B WAP. Cardi B and Megan Thee Stallion. Cardi B has been the biggest distraction this whole year. The biggest distraction this whole year. Next to the NBA. Cardi B, why was she interviewing Joe Biden? Why would Joe Biden even sit down with Cardi B? Does that make sense to you? Because it doesn't make sense to me. Joe Biden could have sat down with J. Cole. Joe Biden could have sat down with Jay-Z. No. Let's have Joe Biden sit down with Cardi B. That makes perfect sense, right? A rapper like Cardi B who raps about, you know what she raps about. Anyways, Cardi B with this whole entire WAP thing. You gotta understand, bro. Cardi B and Megan Thee Stallion, they are so rich. They are so rich, especially Cardi B. Cardi B is richer than Megan Thee Stallion. They are so rich and they have all that wealth. You tell me, why? Why in the world, besides any other reason? No, there is no other reason why they had to create that song, WAP. Give me a good reason. Give me a legit good reason, bro. There is no reasoning. It's a distraction. Everybody was talking about, yo, this song is dirty. Oh, this is crazy. Bro, can we focus on the vaccines? Can we focus on how they're putting little robots into the freaking vaccine, bro? Can we focus on that? Can we focus on my bad. Can we focus on how there's fake clouds in the sky, bro? And I can show y'all if y'all really want me to, I can literally show y'all the proof. They have lights coming down in the sky. They have UFOs in the sky, and they talking about meteors and satellites. I didn't know a satellite would be that close. The sun is changing colors, bro. The sun is changing colors. Have you seen the sun in Arizona? The sun in California, that's already damaged. That's been damaged. The sun in Arizona, it's starting to hit Arizona. It's starting to hit Idaho. It's starting to hit Iowa. I haven't seen much change over here. I'm not giving out my location, but I haven't seen much change over here in New York. I mean, come on, bro. Come on. It's everything's a distraction. And y'all could be like, yo, this is a conspiracy. This ain't true. That's easily dismissive, bro. There's evidence on the Instagram page called Cloaked Ships. You can go through all of those, and you can't tell me at least 90% of those ain't real. You cannot tell me. They had on the news yesterday a big ball of okay, bro, a big ball of light, right, coming down from the sky. They said it's a meteor. That shit was not a meteor. That was too that looked too much in the shape of a UFO when you slow it down. But you know what? Okay, believe what y'all want. Wait till 2021. That's all I'm gonna say. Believe what y'all want. But when 2021 comes and shit starts getting real, you'll see. You'll see. As simple as that. I'm not praying for nothing to happen to y'all. I'm not praying for nothing bad to happen to anybody. I love everybody, bro. Or at least like everybody. I don't want nothing bad to happen to none of y'all. And it's not a coincidence. Like Albert Einstein said, a coincidence is just God's way of being anonymous. You think about that. This is no coincidence. It's not. Cardi B and Offset breaking up just now. This is not a coincidence. The election happening. This is not a coincidence. Do not take that vaccine, bro. Do not take that vaccine. It's all a distraction, bro. I mean, come on. It's right in front of your face. It's right in front of you, bro. It's so clear. But here's another one. I'm trying to have chill. I'm trying to keep this video under 20 minutes. And they keep blasting the fucking radio. Let's see. Let me think of a better one. What was? Oh yeah. So I've been trying to get more mindful shit on my homepage, right, and my Instagram page. Like, you know, when you go into the search and you're about to search a person's name or something like that, and you see all these posts on your Discover. I think that's what it's called, or Explore, something like that. So I'm hitting not interested in all those posts, like under settings, not interested, and they keep popping back up. I don't care. I just don't. And I had to hit not interested for a couple of days, and shit still pops up about celebrities and the NBA and females and stuff like that. And I'm like, bro, I'm liking all this Egyptian stuff, and then it hits my mind, yo, this is a plot, bro. They're always gonna keep serving me the same stuff to take up my time as a distraction. I'm not gonna get any like information from the Discover page. I got a deep dive. They control everything. They even control the Discover page. I mean, obviously they control the Discover page. Like, come on. I feel like at this moment I touched on everything that I can touch on until part 2, which I'll probably drop tomorrow. 9 times out of 10 I'm dropping that tomorrow. But this has been great, y'all. I haven't drunk anything in like 18 minutes. I'm drinking less soda. I'm drinking more water and apple juice. But this has been great. This is another video that I'm gonna post tonight. Next video is tomorrow. And stay woke, man. Next video we're gonna be talking about the distraction in school, and that's gonna make a lot of parents mad. But it's been great, and I'll see you on the next one.